Oh, oh. Merry Christmas, Santa.
Merry Christmas, Santa. Here, come here, Santa.
Santa! Yo, man! Santa! Oh, it's Santa.
I didn't know Santa was going to be here today.
It's been a long, long night. I'm very tired. Right here, Santa. Merry Christmas. I gotta run. Rudolph is out there waiting.
No. Rudolph?
Yeah.
Is he tired too?
He's pretty tired. His nose is barely glowing.
Oh, man.
It's very dim. I gotta get back to the North Pole. But I wanted to come and see a couple of the kids at the Thistle party and the wet party.
Yeah, go take them.
What did you want to see?
Where's Nina?
Oh, Nina, you're up.
Oh,
Come here, Nina. If you help on the shelf, he kept a good eye on you. He was watching
I
you.
want to walk. Heck with you all. I'm going for a walk.
I'm gonna leave him there for a
Then go see Santa. Go out to Santa. Where's Santa at? There he is. Where's he at? Go.
The other way. Santa's the other way.
What else? What are you going to ask for next year? Okay, well, when you think about it, you be a good girl, and you get even more presents next year. All right. Merry Christmas.
yeah!
Now it's your turn.
Where's that other little girl?
I'm right here.
Right here. And Santa- Anna? Anna, did you like your presents? How did you like your slippers?
Can you say
You
Did you like
thank you
your
to Santa?
slippers?
Can you say thanks?
Did you bring them with you?
I like him so much. Very much.
Were you a good girl this year? I need to know if you were a good girl. You were a very good girl? Are you gonna be a good girl next year? I'll bet you'll get even more gifts next year if you're good. If you were on the potty all the time, you'll get even more gifts. What do you think about that? Is that a good idea?
Yes.
Okay, so you go potty all the time. Well, that's good. That's very good.
I don't think
You
you
s-
can kick the teacher either.
Yeah.
Oh, you heard about that?
Where's your little sister? Where's your little sister?
Did you want to see Evan too?
No.
Ho, ho, ho.
Oh, okay. She doesn't have to see Santa. She does. It's part of the whole of my Yeah, that's our kids'
Are you gonna be